na unkwa the person we kwaya no nkrofo fie na yeso ka na the announcement so munko manfo fie na omkwaya registration
me da se na memfa kwanso ntia watifo na party for so mo in Shesu constituency ene abusia for mo Central region na so mentia mo anope in the first place me registration o mi fie senya ho ne ye no
ba poma o ka so ye oni fie poma allege say mo no mo ya announcement so mo onfa nko Kokofu efie ni areas bi a mo directing crowd say ho no mo registration instead of the polling stations.
The announcement will be an as more can I so was any announcement on the announcement. Even the whole of yesterday from Alopa to Numre, I was at seminar at KNU University, and as I'm talking to you, I'm at a seminar. You go do for another 10. Me
87.9 Kumasi.
That's the Opoma Kano no Crebianim.
Me car the announcement. My car is my private car. And you need to me find a party announcement.
Opoma nani wo car be na hu ya the car.
White pickup. Ne car is white pickup. Enra mi gina hu bi. Me busa nipa na oye no. O say constituency secretary say omonye sa announcement. Me to amu Atenga Junction. Opposite La Petite. Your friend is saying chemist. Me say.
And our friend, secretary.
Me here, me call one guy or me police station. Your friend K. K no so catch them, confirm, and I mention his name. Say secretary num say omani omo shia say. Ye koye ni nyina wo. Kokofu fie na ebia ono ye mobile money. Etibia ono oti anim ho no. Sa oba na ontibi nko onye list. No onfa nko. No onkoye.
Ene say nkrofo cancel to
Nika nkrofo wo ka wo say nkrofo cancel. Pick up white in your YouTube.
Chief, there Opoma car with references to Manfwa or Akachen say a meeting and most makoya mo yenisa. So this is asema
you see party juma no ubia the lepe and so ubia no one more or application because information ubia kakaka ubia at the abwa party. In the first place, time wa they register no a buy me or no other kind of cry and then for your man information. In share so you're dividing the 3 zones. Zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. Me zone 2 means see ho. Me na me call orientation ma zone 1 for. In the chance and the leading orientation for zone 2, and Alexander Kodubuatin a leading orientation for zone 3. We had reports from zone 3, Patase, Kwadaso Estate, and South Zone Tresu. Almost problem is almost the information centers. And he sending the information apart from CIA posters, they are bobo with the banners. I committing Kwabena Owusu. Our Opoma near Kuma. Say a problem ewo sa area because in information center in the resources we have on cancer, so we give the resources to him. So on your announcement of sa area na then he didn't come on. He told me say almost area almost information center also he brought it to my attention. Say Denyame Dakojom Ahojo Adebasemuni you so okay. So he told me say Ahomachedia or the Bay or no area. Now see area na baby ama commission say oko. So then people started calling almost because no post to know the top platform. So people saw say the Nekano area. So people started calling Braha to be a premier. Makatis offer Wanigi now Wanigi.
Okay.
So for me, there were 21 electoral areas. If there is a problem, our one electoral area, the best thing as party officers, let us know what actually is the problem.
Okay.
Then we resolve it. So even if you cannot, you cannot scale up exercise like this.
Okay.
A wide constituency like in Sheso. Maybe a one police station or two police stations, and that is why we are there. When there's a problem, let's coordinate a
all the police stations are a war in Sheso no. Obiano operate Obia koso registration.
Almost there. They should tell the people when and the time they should come for the designated place. And to let me make this emphasis before we go. Name farm a car enquiry announcement. So the point is that I will not glorify Sadi and me farm a car announcement. I have never spoken to anybody say on fa van dia car enquiry, but my main car control.
Now, but answer na be
managing the constituency.
Answer na be class no. It says more time. I'm gonna time when I not time when you pon. Was that the directive?
No, you see that the directive guidelines now. General Secretary release say the party should tell possible registrants and say when and where and the time, right? When police station or so. Okay. Time 9 to 5. Once you do that, the rest of the week, you use the rest of the week to tell people, let them do. Oh, kwesiada memenda, if yada another band that will be best.
Okay, but I don't know how coordinators in there now say.
Coordinators in there. You will be a part. Yes. Patasi Quadaso Santasia Atasmasu Konkromase Fanchibra 2 years. We have all they are dotted around Akoma Pramai. So if there's a problem at one particular place, the best approach is bringing it to the leadership attention. Okay. Then we resolve it. Because no Obia or this are register we maybe I laugh at people. Perhaps the person doesn't understand the exercise. Okay. Those who doesn't understand will try to hide it from people. Secretary okay. Why should I give it to you now? So they are quite okay. It doesn't make sense.
Mate, Essel Mills say my emphasis here na minim say no a ya she we as watching yami admopoman. You better also watching.
But I can confidently tell him say he's lying to the shares of but senior can obi ohun ni car na ya announcement bi ehun. It is a nail san catch us say nya dia. Any ochu car na work you have to be careful because white horns so I will pick up white at dot to dot. Yeah, we nipa ne dey announcement. Okay. Secondly, say a group baby any problem. Okay. Say a group baby it should be a police center. Okay. But Kokofu we will never accept it. Okay. It is also I want your clinic. I want your friends say Oasis, Poku area any problem. Either than that we will never accept any register. And no the any can besi.
Mohammed I say
near come I mean chai.
Oh, 2 minutes ago, maybe.
Mammy chat. Next year election, the bed. Ashanti my chairman, already made chairman. Ordino Kokoapia, Coca against Isham Alasa, Mafiazu. Election bed. Ebasa, no, gentle mafia. Senior was Michel Bibia.
Thank you very much. And I know you're there, but don't forget, sir, Angutech.